Hold it right there, it's going.
What did he say?
I'm telling him he's ugly. And he stinks. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes.
He is not happy with you doing that, David.
No, thank you.
Oh, and there's another one.
You guys are good. You stirring up the wildlife here?
They're dive bombing us.
Wow. You sound better than the real ones. You've been hanging outside in the back by our bedrooms? Hi, guys. Nice to see you again. Jeez, he is good at this.
He's been doing that since he was a kid.
Oh my God, no wonder you're good.
I'm trying to take video of the bird dive bombing David because he's not happy with David doing it.
He's good, isn't he? Oh, well, he's confused because he's not sure if he's a bird or not.
Okay, that's enough. Here.
I think he says, don't do that anymore.
Think he's mad with me?
Yeah.
Yeah?